Hello! Hi guys! It's Violetta and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing another ZARA haul. It's spring season and summer is coming soon. I purchased a few pieces for spring and summer. It's warm outside, so I can play around with my wardrobe. I can finally wear colors and I can wear my favorite white sneakers with bare ankles. It's my favorite season. My absolute favorite season is bare ankles. I never do it in the winter though, and I don't advise you to do it. I mean, come on, style, yes, but health is for the first, okay? So bare ankles only when it's warm outside, okay? Are we agreed on this one? Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel over here to see more fashion, lifestyle, and beauty videos, and let's be friends. So let's start and see what I got. So the first piece is this amazing jumper that I got from ZARA. I got myself a few colorful jumpers from ZARA. They come up with some pretty good line of colorful jumpers. Good job, ZARA. I got myself like kind of the same style but different colors. I'm a huge lover of jumpers. I don't think there are going to be a point in my life when I will say, oh, I have too many jumpers. No, I don't think so. I love sweaters, I love jumpers. So yeah, I got myself 3 jumpers, the one I wear on me, and also I got this kind of baby pink. I think it's gonna be great, and I like that it has like fleece material underneath, so it's very warm and it's so like cozy. I usually wear sweaters on you know, without anything underneath, so I do like that like comfy and warm material on the other side of these jumpers. And this is the second one. It's like baby blue. I would say probably this one is my favorite out of 3 because it has very interesting sleeves design, and it's more oversized design, but all of them are very unique and all of them gonna go amazing with jeans and amazing with like dresses and skirts. I got all of them in size medium, I believe. Yeah, I'm gonna double check it. And all of them, I will need to double check the prices, but I believe that the blue one was $20 and these 2 pink ones, they were $30. So like such a deal. Amazing.
Look at this yummy color. I love color on this one, and I like that I can tuck it in and also I can leave it loose. Both options look good, but my favorite is this pale pink, baby pink sweater. I like the oversize of it. Look how cool it looks with these jeans. This one is probably my least favorite. I know that I told you that I really like it when I just unpacked it, but I don't know. I think it's too baggy. It's still a nice design, but out of 3, probably my least favorite.
And the next one in the box is Polka Dot Dress. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing as a dress, but also I can always put a sweater on top and it's gonna be like a polka dot skirt. I do like versatile pieces that I can use in different ways. It has a long sleeves. I would say it's like 3/4 long sleeves, and it has a few layers over here. It's really cute, and also it has hoops on both sides, so I can add belt, and I think it's gonna look better with belt rather than without. I do like to pair very feminine pieces with more like brutal and kind pieces. It balances the outfit, and in this way I don't look like too girly. I don't mind to look too girly, but I'm just more my personality is not like, I mean, my personality is girly, but not like pink girly, and I'm saying it wearing pink jumper.
Okay, enough about my personality. Let's discuss the dress. How cute is this one? I like it. I like the length, and I definitely like how this belt looks with this dress. It adds something to the outfit, and also it defines my waist, and it adds to the overall outfit. Looks good. Also, I paired it with both jumpers that I got in this haul, and both of them look amazing with this dress.
I also got a few pairs of shoes, and I'm super excited to show you the one I got from ZARA. In love. Like, honestly, look at this design. Oof. Too good to be true. So it's ZARA basic collection. Look at this pointy. How do you call the front part of the shoe? Toe? Yeah, toe. Okay. I really like this pointy toe. I mean, look at this. It's so cute. And the heel is very small. I think it's like 2.5 inches, so it's very comfortable. And I like this plastic situation. It looks so good on a foot. Oh, amazing. I'm gonna show you over here me wearing these shoes. Oh, such an amazing style. Also, ZARA has quite similar style, but with more like with a higher heel. So like there are options for you. So pretty. I cannot wait to style it with jeans and a trend. Let's move on to next pieces. And what do I have? I ordered two very similar shirts. I think they were the same style. It's kind of silky shirt. It's not silk though. I think it's polyester. Oh no, it's viscose. Okay, whew, it's viscose. So this one is very, this one is kind of like ivory color. It's gonna match my skin complexion. I prefer like cream or ivory color rather than white for shirts. I just think it looks more luxury and it looks kind of more chic. So it's very basic style. It's long enough to tuck with it, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it loose. With a shirt like this, I always tuck it into jeans or pants or whatever I'm wearing it with. So I got this one in size medium, just cause white is more a formal color and I like it to be more oversized. So also another advice for you, if you think like someone is too formal, just size up. And like oversized items already cannot be too formal, because formal is more fitted look. So size up in formal style pieces and you will achieve the casual, comfy, put together look. So that's why I've ordered cream one in size medium.
I got green one in size small, and I think it actually looks way better in the size in this color. I like to tuck it in, obviously. That's my favorite way to wear shirts. And with jeans, it looks like a day look, but if I pair it with a shirt, with a skirt, sorry, or with pants, it's gonna look amazing as a night out look. And do you see the shoes? The best shoes I got this year.
This is the next piece, and yeah, it's a dress. Okay, now I remember it. I saw it on the website and it was on sale. It was one of the reasons why I ordered it. It's no, I'm not sure about it. I'll need to try it. I need to try it on. I definitely like the material. Oh, that's the price. So it was $40 Canadian dollars. It's definitely gonna be great for like beach vacation, to throw it on swimsuit and go to, you know, to the pool. But let me try to style it, and I'll see if it's actually like great style for city as well. Sorry, I'm like picking all these small pieces because like they drive me crazy. I do like this belt situation. Yeah, so that's another example of something very feminine with brutal details like this. It just balances the piece. And so let me try it on before I can tell you what I think about this dress. I kind of have a mixed feeling about it, I'm not gonna lie.
Now when I tried it, I like the dress, but I feel like if it was a little shorter, it would look better on me. It's just a little too long for my height, but I definitely like front pockets, and I like the detail on the waist, and I do like the material. It's very breathable, and it's gonna be amazing for summer.
The next piece I got is from H&M, not Zara, and it's this oversized jacket, a blazer. It's so oversized, you will see it on me. It's sold out already on the website, as lots of things, like when it's something good, it sells out in like a day. So, but I was lucky, I got this one, and I'm very excited to try it on. So I got this one in size small, but by looking at it, I feel like it might be too oversized, so I would probably be fine with extra small. I usually got small in H&M, but because this jacket was already kind of designed to be oversized, I should probably size down, but it's too late. It's sold out already everywhere, so I don't think I can find it anywhere. So I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits me, and you know, if I should keep it.
I'm in love with this jacket. I love the fit of it, and I'm in love with the color as well. It's perfect length, and it looks amazing with skinny jeans, and this is like my go-to look: oversized jacket and skinny jeans. I can roll my sleeves to, you know, to make it more casual, and I like the material of it. It's like a little bit thick, so it's perfect for the beginning of spring.
I got kind of matchy pants to go with this jacket, and the pants are from Zara. This style of I think they call them jeans pants. The material is so different though from the jacket. Yeah, pants are more like summer piece, and jacket is more like winter spring piece, so I don't know if it's gonna match each other. It has stretch on the back, and I usually got it with some stretch and elastic bands in the waist, because my waist is so small compared to my hips. So I need I'm very hippie, if this word makes sense. Like my hips are kind of wide, so I usually go medium size in most of like jeans and pants, but my waist is so small compared to waist, so usually I need to tailor it in my waist, and I'm not a huge fan to tailor things. Whenever I buy pants, I try to go with the stretchy material, so you know, it's elastic and it's gonna hug my waist. Yeah, I like the color of it. Also, I got very similar style of pants, but in black, but this one has a belt. It's just simple black. I don't even know what to tell you about these pants. I'll try them on. I'll show you how they look, because I mean, what else can you tell about the pants? They look pretty good, but without trying them on, it's kind of hard to tell. The last pieces I got from H&M, and it's super popular right now, and it was popular last season, and it's still popular this season. Huge Balenciaga style sneakers, and H&M has a pretty good version of it, and it's super affordable. I think they were like $50 Canadian dollars, so it's like $40 US. Like I've never owned sneakers like this, so I'm gonna keep them, and I'm gonna like try to style them with as many outfits as possible to see if it's something that I would wear. And I got them in both colors, so I got them in like white and more beige colors, and they're quite similar styles, not the exact style, very similar though. I feel like white might be more versatile, but at the same time I do have white cats, and I do have like white sneakers as well, so I don't want to repeat the same kind of shoes, because then like what's the point to have the same pieces in your wardrobe. So I'm more towards this color. What do you think? Are you into this style of shoes? I feel more comfortable wearing like neutral colors and more like classy pieces. Whenever I see like leather or like furry thing, and it's like oversized and it's pink and it's furry and it's like and super like unique style, I like it. I like how other people wearing it, but I not necessarily feel comfortable wearing them myself sometimes. So I need to spend some quality time with this with this style of shoes in order to make a decision. But if you're brave enough, and if you're already kind of digging this style, I feel that H&M came up with pretty good styles. Like, look at them. They don't look like $40 sneakers. They look very good. The quality is pretty good as well. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found some amazing pieces for yourself, and remember that I show you the pieces, but you don't have to purchase all the pieces. It's all about creativity. It's all about how you style your pieces. You can always recreate the same look from your own closet. I just share with you so you know what's new on the market, and if you're in a hunt for a specific piece, you know my opinion, and I hope it helps you to make a better purchase decision. Subscribe to my channel to see more fashion, lifestyle, health related videos, and let me know what's your favorite piece. I feel like polka dot dress is gonna be popular, and shoes, and that black pointy amazing shoes. Yeah, I feel like they're my favorite in this haul. Or polka dot dress, I don't know, both. And let me know in comments if you like my hair today. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys, see you in my next video.